Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Egbe here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm back with new remote job leads, and we are going to be focusing primarily data entry type of roles in this video. We also do have a customer service role, and I will be sharing my insight into why I felt that was a good opportunity to consider. So let's dive right in. Before we do that, I do want to just take a moment and appreciate every single one of you guys for being here. It really means the world to me. For those that are watching me for the first time, do not be a stranger. Hit the subscribe button and join the family. So let's dive right in. The first opportunity I want to share with you guys is with Sundance. Those that may not be familiar with Sundance, it's a film festival. So they do cover different films, bringing those screenings to small theaters nearby, kind of showcasing interesting concepts in the film and arts industry. And they have a festival coordinator publishing database. So again, it's a festival coordinator. And this opportunity, just as the title implies, you're going to be focusing primarily on their publishing database. So this individual is going to be working closely under the direction of the festival manager to ensure that all of the database are reflecting correct information and making sure that the database is really up to date. This is a temporary position and works full-time from Wednesday, September 13th through Friday, January 19, 2024. So this position, again, is going to be from September through January. It's going to be requiring some extended hours, including evenings, weekends, holidays, to help meet deadlines. So top priorities include, but not limited to, gathering, auditing information for print and digital publications. It talks about entering information into different databases. It talks about proofreading, kind of ensuring that different final submissions match what's being reflected in the different databases. It talks about different reports, so generating reports from the database. All of that are in scope of the priorities or the to-do list for this role. So what are they asking for? They're asking for you to be legally authorized to work in the US, 2+ years of experience with database, data entry, publications, and so forth. They talk about outstanding verbal, written communication, excellent organization skills, being able to prioritize is really a key component for this role. And then the pay for this role is $20.32 per hour, but you are eligible for benefits and perks. Once you're ready, you just hit start application and you are good to go. All right, so we're going to move on to the next opportunity, which is IQVIA. IQVIA is looking for a client services representative level 1. This is a fully remote opportunity as well. And with this position, you are going to be assisting different care managers to ensure that all of information that they need pertaining to different members are being reflected in different systems accurately. You're going to kind of be that frontline staff that is going to help triage different members to different care managers, in this case, which are nurses, and really just making sure that all their needs are being taken care of. If they have any inquiries regarding like their benefits, kind of helping them navigate that. If they want to speak to a clinician, kind of helping them navigate that as well. So really, you're just the frontline person to kind of help come from a member perspective. So that's really what this opportunity is. And my primary reason for including this, because I get this a lot where people are looking for opportunities that provide them with equipment to work from home. And IQVIA does that. You would receive all the necessary equipment you need to work from home, and that includes a laptop, docking station, 2 monitors. They have a soft phone. So they will be providing you with all the equipment you need. I wanted to make sure that I call that out. So that's primarily one of the reasons I put this as an opportunity to share with you guys today. And the requirements for this position: high school diploma or GED. They do prefer some college education, minimum of 1 year experience in medical billing, insurance verification, similar related medical office experience. They talk about previous data experience if you have it. And then 30 words per minute is another one. Just keep that in mind. If you have not been practicing, continue to do so you can increase your speed. But 30 words per minute is really attainable. If you're bilingual, that plus, but it's not required. With this opportunity, the salary salary range is between $18 and $21, so just keep that in mind. The next opportunity we are going to be exploring is with JP1. So JP1 is looking for junior records management specialist. Again, junior records management specialist. This is a fully remote opportunity as well, and you are going to be working closely with other departments to ensure that proper documentation are happening in different systems. So really that is what this position is about. This position is really an individual who has some knowledge in technology, but primarily focusing on HIPAA type of rules to make sure like information records are properly cared for and also being stored appropriately. What are the requirements for this role? So they're asking for a bachelor's degree, 3 years of experience implementing, managing, and continuously improving different documentation processes and so forth. Also talks about archiving, records administration practices and policies. They talk about experience with SharePoint. They do have a preferred qualifications here as well. They're talking about different government financial regulators type of experience. If you have that, make sure you put it in your resume. If you don't, you should still be able to apply for this opportunity. The next opportunity is with A&E. This is another temporary opportunity. Is looking for a coordinator, digital scheduling. So this individual is going to be in the middle of managing and just ensuring that everything is going as they should. This role is going to be reporting to the supervisor. This person is going to be the main point of contact and customer service representative for different international and domestic partners. This individual is going to be negotiator between multiple internal external stakeholders, including in the area of programming, sales, legal, client, vendors, and so forth. They're looking for somebody that is a problem solver, someone who is very proactive. They're looking for someone who has strong management skills, someone who can really collaborate. Then as far as education and experience goes, they're talking about bachelor's in media, communications or related field. They also talk about 3 to 4 years of experience in client services, account management, product management, media chain, distribution, and so forth. They're saying here you can actually work from home, but they do have to test your connectivity as far as internet goes. One of the reasons I actually wanted to include it is the salary. So the salary is kind of on the high side. It's $30 per hour, and I highlighted and called that out for you guys. Okay, so this position again is a temporary position, and it's going to be a tenure of about 18 months, so just keep that in mind. All right, so moving on to the last opportunity, which is with Designer Brands. Designer Brands is looking for a collection analyst, so international. This is for international folks, and they are looking for a credit and collection analyst. So credit and collections analyst, international. This is a fully remote opportunity. With this opportunity, you are going to be maintaining relationship with different CIT groups. You're going to be ensuring that all reports, especially balances, invoices, any type of reports that exist in terms of financial tracking, you're going to be making sure that those are being maintained and also reflecting accurate information. So that is primarily what this role is about in terms of responsibility. You're also going to be making sure that you interact with credit and collection team on their processes. If there are opportunities for streamlining, kind of working with them to make sure that that is done. So what are required skills? They're talking about strong computer skills. It makes sense. Talking about international experience with letters of credit, knowledge of Oracle operating system. They talk about excellent written and verbal, and then also just the ability to work in a fast-paced environment where things are constantly moving. So that's what they're looking for. And then 2 years of experience in credit and collections. If you have international experience, retail industry experience, it is preferred, but it's not required. So all of that are important. Definitely make sure you call them out on your resume. So those are the opportunities, guys. I know potentially there may be some questions. Please come back and leave it in the comment section. If you have applied for a role, gotten an interview, or you've gotten a job offer, please come back, leave it in the comment section. Give this video video thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already, and turn your notification bell on so you get notified when I do post new videos. I want to thank you guys again for watching. Till next time, best of luck to you as you apply. Take care, guys. Bye bye.